Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2022 Tesla. This is a Model Y dual motor long range. It's got a clean title on it. There is damage showing on the Carfax. It was owned and bought by our customer who had to leave the state, moved to the East Coast, did not want to take the car with him. So we're selling it for him. It's got 15,000 miles on it. I'm sure if you're looking at this, you know more about these than I do. I'm not that familiar with the Tesla product. The dual motor is an all-wheel drive. The long range, those are both upgrades to the Model Y. I think the range on this is 330 or 350. The wheels are an upgrade from Tesla, so that's on the window sticker. The dual motor and the longer range is also an upgrade. Cosmetically, it's really, really clean. Yeah, I guess this is their #1 selling car. They've sold a ton of them. The technology is impressive. It's got the larger display on it. It's got this has a single display. I just sold an S, which had a dual display. I mean, it's really clean. They've definitely dropped in price. No, the reason we like this is the mileage. And the Carfax does show damage. It was minor damage. There is no sign of repair. And we have one fob for it. So you can see there isn't anything that needs to be done. There's a couple little marks on a couple of the wheels, which we have pictures of. The interior is really clean. Very little signs of wear and tear. So a black interior, super clean. It's got a huge roof, whole roof, and that is fixed. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to get that to slide back, and that is a fixed pane of glass, and it is a large fixed pane of glass. That whole roof is glass. So anyways, you can see, I mean, there's literally no signs of wear and tear. It still smells new. So this is the card. It goes right here. That activates all your settings and your systems. If you're familiar with these, so the card down here gives you your drop-down menu. You touch these, gives you your menus, your adjustments, your settings, navigation, radio. This down here gives you your apps, so calendar, text messages, streaming audio, Apple Music, dash cam, heated seats, heated steering wheel, wipers, blah, 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 blah. So pretty straightforward. Then you have some options down here. And then if you're familiar with these, they've got games on them. And then you've got apps, so TV, Netflix, Disney. It's kind of cool. So we see a lot of people when they're charging, watching movies, or playing games. The rest of it is pretty straightforward. You can see the dash is super clean. So the passenger side door is super clean. Passenger side seat. I mean, 15,000 miles. The longer range and all-wheel drive. You can see the center console. Super clean. So anyways, an interesting car for the money. We like the paint and the black accents. If you have any questions or would like additional information, we can finance it. We can put an extended warranty on it. We welcome trades. If you have would like additional information, or if you have questions, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.